Hey guys, John Libinati here with glutenfreeworks.com. Welcome to our snack attack. Today we're going to be talking about Daily Chef dried Mediterranean apricots. Now we're all looking for the next, or we're all looking for a snack that we can enjoy that's also healthy for us. And as we're told by the media, gluten-free foods are bad, the processed foods are terrible and all that. Well, they're not all bad, but they're not all great for you either. And if you're looking for a snack that's good for you, dried fruit is a good way to go, especially these apricots. Okay, so if you think about it, you're getting these dried apricots, which say they're naturally gluten-free right there. I don't know if you can see that. They're high in vitamin A. They are mostly carbohydrates, which is not a bad thing. We do need carbohydrates, and they've got a lot of fiber in them, which is very important. It's important to keep us hydrated, and it's also important to help us digest and absorb our nutrients. Now, a serving size, there's 18 servings in here, and a serving size is a quarter cup. Now, this is a quarter cup here, so let me open this up, and I'll show you what these little guys look like. All right, take one out of here. All right, so this is what they look like. They're orange. They smell heavenly. Super fruity. They taste delicious. And they're soft. Like when I was a kid, I remembered eating a dried fruit that was really tough, and I never liked it that much. But these are really like soft and chewy and moist and delicious. So I think you could figure about 6 of them would fit in here. And if you have 18 servings, I mean, you're looking at 100 or so of these apricots. The price is $6. These are delicious. They're very high in potassium. There's 460 milligrams of potassium per serving, which is great if you're an athlete and you're looking for a healthy snack. So these dried apricots are really good in that regard. They last forever. I mean, these were manufactured in February 2018, and they're good until February of 2019 if you didn't open them. But like I said, this is an absolutely wonderful tasting snack. You can put these in salads. You can eat them right out of the bag, which I like to do, obviously, because I've eaten about this many in the past few days. They do contain a lot of fiber, so you want to make sure you drink a lot of water with these guys because they're going to want to reconstitute, and if there's no water, they'll suck the water out of you and into them, and you might get constipated. If you eat too many of them, you might get diarrhea. So it's like anything else. You want to eat these delicious dried Mediterranean apricots in moderation. So this is our snack attack. This is a very healthy snack to aim for. They have it at Sam's Club. It's $6. That's what we got it for. Sam's isn't paying us. The apricot lobby isn't paying us to say this. But when I find something, and when we find things that we think are healthy for you, we want to bring it to you. The ingredients are Mediterranean dried apricots and sulfur dioxide for color retention and potassium sorbate. So if you have a sulfur allergy, these might not be the best for you, but they absolutely taste wonderful, and they're soft and moist and delicious, and we really like them. All right, this is John Libinati with our snack attack from glutenfreeworks.com.